just got a hug from Paula. I wish that was on the air. That's great. I wish we could have every day start that way, right? With a hug. Right? So Paula's here today, and she has a great recipe. This is already on our Facebook pages. You'll find it on mine and on the Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Lots of people loving this. This is a pineapple upside down cake?
Yeah, it's just kind of really simple. I like using the bundt pan because it makes it look pretty. You just take brown sugar and you put it, I did that wrong, sorry. Start with butter. See, I get talking. You pour melted butter, and I mean, this is not healthy. This is an entire stick of butter, people.
But that makes it taste good.
It does. And then you just sprinkle your brown sugar over the inside of your, so you get kind of that crunchy, caramely topping.
Yes.
You know, which, you know,
good stuff.
Makes it even better. The thing about doing it this way, we cut the pineapple in half, and they fit right into the little grooves.
Oh.
And so I'll get that part done.
Okay.
If you want to go ahead and start mixing the cake mix and a pudding mix. Now I just use yellow cake mix, but I think there's a pineapple cake mix out there too.
Oh, okay.
So if you really want your pineapple flavor, you could do that. This uses the pineapple juice too. To kind of, instead of all water, you add pineapple juice. And you can go ahead and add the eggs, oil, water, and the pineapple juice.
Okay.
And it's, I mean, very, very basic, but I really like the pudding in it because that just adds.
All of this?
Yes, all of it.
Okay.
And then you add maraschino cherries if you like that, just in between the pineapple slices in the bottom of the bundt pan.
All right. And would you use a mixer for this typically?
No.
Oh, just by hand. Okay.
I never use a mixer.
Okay.
I very rarely use it. We had a young lady from Chile staying with us this last month, and every time she did anything, she always used a mixer.
Yeah.
And it's like, yeah, I just don't do that.
Not even a hand mixer, huh?
Not for cake.
Yeah. That's how you get your arm strength going.
I guess. It's,
yeah.
And I have a really nice one.
All right, so then when this is finished, you pour that over.
It just pours right over the top of your, I don't know, can I show this?
Okay, well I can give a.
Like this?
Yeah, that looks great.
There, you can kind of see it in there.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. It's really moist.
Yeah, I think that's the pineapple juice, that's the pudding mix.
Wow, this is really good.
So,
are you taking these somewhere? This one's for us? No.
Yes, that one's for you guys.
This is for 10-11? Okay.
The one that I'm making here is going to end up at the Farm Bureau meeting tomorrow night.
Okay, look forward to that, friends. All right, Paula, thank you again. These recipes are on our Facebook pages if you want to copy them down. Paula, thank you.
You're welcome. I enjoy spending time with you.
Back to you.